Hi guys, so this is a tutorial on how to sign in for Canvas. So there's different Canvas instructor login links. You need to make sure you're on the right one. You'll know you're there if you see the Canyon School District logo on there. I will put that link on this parent page where you will find this video as well. I will also put it all in Canvas once you're used to getting into it, but this one will be on our website for now. So the student's username and password is their same CSD Docs. It is the same for most everything they sign into, Google Classroom, all of it. So you just need to make sure you put in the right things and that you're on the right websites in order to access the correct Canvas account. So it's going to be their first letter of their first name, their first 3 letters of their last name, and then the last 4 digits of their district ID. It just asks for a username, it doesn't ask for an email, so this is all you put in, you don't put anything more. And then the password is the 2 words and the number unless the parent has changed it, which the district does not recommend that you do. So then you hit login. And then you will see their dashboard with all of their courses in it. So right now I've hidden my science and social studies. My science will be English science, so they can review the concepts that they have learned in science and French. And then also my social studies will be on here as well. But you're going to look for our homeroom that you can see our schedules and all the important general information. And then you'll have the individual courses. So here's their French science course, here's their ELA course, and then I will add again math, social studies, and then my English science as well. Their to-do list will be different assignments or things that they need to do. The check-ins were optional, so you could just click X and get rid of those if you wanted. There's a lot of things to explore in here. Inbox is how you can communicate with the teachers, how the students can. And then courses will just give a list of all the courses, and then dashboard will be like the live courses. So once you are in these, then you can click in each course and there will be a home page, which we are currently working on updating all our stuff, so they will be ever changing. And then you can go into modules, which will kind of list the different things. So here I had daily check-ins, I had my music in here, but there will be many more things to come that will show up next week. So I just wanted to give you a quick how to log into Canvas, and the kids will use this to navigate next week. All right, thanks.